Hey guys, welcome to my personality type, my favourite, the adventurer / crusader. I love this personality type so much, and this is exactly what I use when I'm representing my brand. The crusader or the adventurer doesn't have all of the answers. They are not at the pinnacle, they're not at the apogee of the food chain. However, they've managed to climb quite a distance on the food chain. They've learnt a heck of a lot on their journey, and they're always going to be trying out new things. And this allows you to have constant evolution in all of the things that you do. So for example, I'm not tied down to a specific system that works only if you meet certain criteria. This is really, really good. It's really beneficial, and it's one that I do recommend for you to try out as well. And the main reason I recommend it is because if you've got something and it's not working, you can go to your audience and say, okay guys, I've been trying this thing out. You can explain a bit about it, and you can say, I'm not quite able to get it to work. You can get some good engagement with your audience there. You might find out a way to make something that seems impossible work, or you can move on to a new project and people are not going to hunt you for it. A leader that has built a specific system that will work in every single case, that might not be working for the audience. And if that isn't working for the audience, they're going to lose interest. However, if you're always looking for new ways, new methods, new techniques in order to sell products or get stuff out there to people, this is going to always make you interesting, because people will be checking you to find out what the next bump in the road is that you're going to have to circumnavigate as things change. And because you have that level of awareness that not everything is perfect and that your systems may at some point have something go wrong. Let's say you've got a marketing system that relies on something like Zapier, and all of a sudden Zapier's not working, or if this then that isn't working, you may end up in deep water. And it may be a really big problem, but you can find a solution because you are the crusader. You're the one who never gives up. I also like the crusader thing because I kind of started this channel with a crusade against Yell, who I believe perform exploitative and evil business tactics. Check out those videos if you want to see what I mean. But when it comes down to it, it's for me, the crusader is definitely one to go with. The adventurer is kind of a little bit different because you're more exploring into the unknown, whereas the crusader, you can also battle with things as well. Like, it's always good to fight against some sort of oppressive force, and I think that that's a really important thing in marketing. We are usually seen as the bad guys. We are the ones who are seen as the manipulators and the evil creatures that lurk in the dark. But I find that these kind of adventurous and crusading personas, I find them very inspiring, because the thing is, they show the audience that you're someone who get knocked down and you keep getting back up again. You do not give in, and I like that. I think that that kind of dogged determination, that creates a beautiful sort of interlink with the underdog, which we're going to talk about a little bit later. Anyway, I've said my piece on my favourite one. Let's move on to the next one, shall we?